We are very excited to have all the students of the Qatar Scholarship Education Above All program at AUB gathering here together, an off-campus event.
I am very grateful to be a part of this scholarship, as if it improved my social experience.
It was really a special day, and all of us enjoyed it a lot.
I didn't know a lot of people before, but now I had the opportunity to meet them, to know them, to talk to them, to have fun together, and it was really amazing.
Today's activity was very well and very interesting.
Joyful activities, happy souls.
After a long 2-3 weeks in the university and all of the pressure of the exams,
It helps us mentally and psychologically.
We really enjoyed it. That was really amazing.
We really appreciate every single effort Qatar Scholarship is doing for us.
These events are very important, not just for the students to build a community and a stronger community, stronger bond. It's also a very important event for us in the administration, in the community.
Refreshing, joyful,
Fun,
Stress relief.
Generous.
Amazing.
cheerful.
extraordinary.